is me, Clea May S. Versales. I'll show you how we can help the environment by sorting our degradable and non-biodegradable waste. Are the items that example of degradable? 1. Wood. 2. Carbon. The items that example of non-biodegradable. 1. Plastic bottle. 2. Plastic straw. Why waste segregation is important? Segregation of waste is important because we can help not only with the environment but also it can help us people. In that way, we can also avoid or help prevent by catching health issues. In segregation waste, we can identify non-biodegradable as a useful waste like plastic bottle by recycling it. Like for example, we can make it as our alkansya. A simple reminder about saving the environment. Protect our environment, preserve the future.